What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike. This is Living with 3M. That's Legend in the background. And today I went to americantrucks.com and ordered a WaySafe tow hitch. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got and do the install, which, you know, install, it's not really install. You just push it in, log it in, but it's what we're gonna tow the boat with. Okay guys, I had a standard drop down hitch. That's a 2-inch receiver. Always you want a locking pin. You have to have that or somebody will steal everything. There was one time I put a rubber plug on my Dodge truck I had years ago, a rubber plug that just said Dodge. I just installed it. It's like $8 from the auto parts store, and came out of the grocery store, and an hour later somebody had stole it that quick. There we go. Sometimes these things get a little rusty, you can see, but we're gonna remove this. So we can set it right here. We're gonna grab the WaySafe box. Man, that's really nice. Aluminum. Got several parts to it. So it is a 2-inch ball and a 2 5/16 ball. So we've got the locking mechanism with 2 keys, and this locking mechanism locks the ball into place, so it's not the locking for the pin. You have to have your own for that. So we can go ahead, put this into place. All right. All right, I got that. It took me a second. I had to spray some WD-40 in there to get that to reattach on that factory. So now, what we're going to do is this goes wherever you need it to, but we want to do the 2-inch ball side. And you take your locking pin, go right there with it. So yeah, it locked right in, and you can use your keys to pull that out, so that locks in. And now we have a cover, just a rubber cover for that. Okay, yeah, man, that's big time improvement over that junker from the auto parts store I got a few years ago. I mean, that served its purpose. Man, the way safe really looks great. I love it. All right, okay. So if you guys want to comment below, give me your thoughts on the way safe, or tell me what you guys have and how well it works for you. We'll try it out tomorrow. I'm gonna actually be towing the boat to the lake. If you will, please give me a thumbs up on this video, and we will catch you guys in the next one. I am Mike. This is Living with 3M. It's hot as hell out here. Woo, 100 degrees almost here in North Carolina in June, man. All right, later, fellas.